How to fix Tapo camera SD card not formatting. So, there are a few different reasons why this is happening on your device. First, ensure your camera or doorbell firmware and Tapo or Casa app version are up to date. Back up important files in SD card before initialization. So, troubleshooting. Step 1, some SD cards may not be compatible with Tapo or Casa cameras or doorbell. So, make sure your SD card is in the compatibility list of micro SD cards that is compatible with it. Take note that SD cards have a limited lifespan and may become faulty over time, so make sure to replace it regularly. Step 2 is to ensure that there is no physical damage on your SD cards. Step 3, turn off the camera or doorbell, remove and reinsert the SD card several times, then turn on the camera or doorbell and check if the SD card can be formatted or recognized. Clear the app cache and format the SD card again in the Tapo or Casa app. And then try another high endurance micro SD in the compatibility list. Insert the SD card into another camera or computer with an SD card reader. Check if the SD card can be formatted or recognized by the computer or another camera. If you don't have another camera, make sure to test the card with third party software such as H2TestW to ensure SD card is qualified. If the result is fake, please change to another compatible SD card.